Do you want to accomplish more in 2020? Learn the secrets to goal setting. Coming up next. Hey guys, I'm Yesenia. If you're new to our channel, we're WealthFit, and we want to help you lead a life of true wealth. Today, we're going to help you reach your goals in 2020. Let's get started. There are certain things we all want to accomplish in life. Maybe spend more time with your family, get in great physical shape, travel somewhere new, start a business. Maybe you want to do all of those things and more. All of us set goals, but achieving goals is something few people manage to do. Research shows that 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year's resolutions they set for themselves.
Fail!
Warren Buffett recommends the following goal-setting method. Step 1, write down your top 25 goals. Consider the following 7 areas: finances, career, free time, family, health and appearance, relationships, personal growth, and making a difference. Now, what do you want to accomplish? By writing down your goals, you'll see where your priorities lie and zero in on what really matters. Step 2 is pick your 5 most important goals. Once you have a list of your top 25 goals, narrow it down to just 5. These should be your do or die items, the goals you feel that you must accomplish no matter what.
And my dream is that I would love to have my own island.
Narrowing your list down to just 5 can be tough, but remember, you can get to your other goals later, and this strategy is meant to help you focus so that you can achieve all of the items on your list. Step 3, do the hardest thing of all. If you thought that narrowing your list down to just 5 goals was tough, you're going to find this step especially challenging. Ignore everything else on your list. Those other 20 goals aren't goals anymore, they're distractions. Sound extreme? It's not. The purpose of goals is to get you to success. That's not going to happen if your focus is in too many places at once. Buffett's advice is sound, but it fails to mention a crucial component of goal setting: creating SMART goals. SMART is an acronym for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Now let's be honest, a huge reason we don't accomplish our goals is that we don't put forth the time or effort. Setting SMART goals is a way of ensuring that we do that.
Brilliant but lazy.
All right, so here's an example. Maybe your goal is to get in better shape. This isn't a SMART goal, but you can make it one by running through these steps. Starting with specific. What does getting in better shape mean? What would that look like? This goal can be improved with more clarification. Maybe you want to lose weight. Now that's more specific. So your new goal here would be get in better shape by losing weight. Now the M is measurable. Does this goal help you measure how close you are to success? Not really. How much weight do you want to lose? That way you can track where you are on the right path to achievement. So your new goal here would be get in better shape by losing 50 pounds. Now the A for attainable. Losing 50 pounds is a very tall order. You're more likely to burn out if you set the bar way too high. So why don't you try chunking it down by making them more achievable? Your new goal here would be get in better shape by losing 25 pounds. R for relevant. If you're trying to lose 25 pounds, you have to have a plan. You can't just set a goal and expect things to just happen. So you decide to work out 5 days a week and limit your calories to 1,500 a day, eating wholesome, healthy foods. Those are 2 relevant actions that you can take to get you closer to your objective. So your new goal here would be get in better shape by losing 25 pounds using a 5-day workout regimen and by limiting your calories to 1,500 a day, eating healthy foods that nourish your body. Now, time-based. Your goal looks good, but you need to have a deadline or you could spend the rest of your life losing those 25 pounds. So the SMART goal here is I will get in better shape by losing 25 pounds before March 15th. To accomplish this, I commit to working out 45 minutes for 5 days a week and limiting my caloric intake to 1,500 calories a day with wholesome, healthy foods. Now, once you've established your 5 most important goals, run them through the SMART goal setting framework. Doing this will not only make your objectives easier to achieve, but it will also help you recognize when you've achieved them. If you have any questions about your SMART goals, check out the link below. Now, what's your one big goal for the next year? We'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, if you got any value out of this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on anything we have going on. What? Huh?
Why are you going so slow?
I don't know, because it's like ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ti-ti-ta-ti-ti-ti. Why do I keep saying that? Okay, seriously, this is the last time.